How to add Snapchat filter to existing video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So Snapchat does not let you directly add filters to existing photos or videos. Snapchat does not let you directly apply filters to existing videos saved on your phone within the app. But here is a workaround. You need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application first, log into your account, and after that, you need to go ahead and tap on this media icon that is beside the capture button. And this will let you access your memories, camera roll, stories, and your eyes only. Go ahead and select any video that you'd like to add filter on. In order to add any filter or decorate this snap, tap on this arrow button. Once you do that, you'll be able to add different filters. You can swipe right or left to apply the filters that you want, and then tap on it to select the filter. You can also add stickers, add any text that you want to add, or draw in the snap as well. Snapchat filters for existing photos or videos are limited compared to live camera filters, and for a more advanced effect, you can consider using video apps like InShot, CapCut, and other different apps before uploading to Snapchat. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and add Snapchat filter to existing photo. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.